New episode, plastic parts in diesel engine bays. I freaking hate them. And the aftermarket has a ton of great options to replace those plastic parts with extruded aluminum parts or CNC aluminum parts. And so that's what this new series is going to be about. Got a private message on the Review Diesel page, customer wanting to do an affordable upgrade, had a little extra cash laying around, asked him what year the truck was, 05 6-liter. So I sent him a link to the S&B intake elbow with the polished intercooler pipe. Comes with really nice silicone boots and clamps. I've got one on my daughter's truck, and it replaces the stupid plastic factory intercooler pipe on the driver's side of the 6.0 engine bay. So great upgrade from S&B. Check them out on the site. We'll link them in the